Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about just general cleaning of hearing aids. We've been finding for a lot of our clean and check appointments that just this very simple step is being missed very often by patients. So I have an assortment of different hearing aids here. And the main thing we're going to discuss is just wiping your hearing aids off every day. So if you have the receiver in the ear style of hearing aids, take a tissue, definitely one of the less expensive Kleenexes without any kind of lotions or oils on it, and just wipe down the hearing aid thoroughly. That will remove any body oils, earwax, dirt, dust, etc. And then also taking your brush and going over the microphones. And if you don't know where those are, just start at the top and work your way all the way down to the bottom of the hearing aid. If you have an in the ear style, very similar process. Again, just take a Kleenex, wipe down the entire case of the hearing aid, getting any dirt or earwax off the device. And then again, starting at the front here and just kind of wiping down the face of the hearing aid with the brush, getting any dirt or dust, but mainly focusing on those microphone ports. And finally, for an even smaller CIC device, same process, just wipe it down with the Kleenex and then brush off the face. There are other steps to cleaning, such as changing the wax traps, which we will catch in a different video on a different day. Thanks so much for watching.